Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. If you're new to my mom's channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Step 1. First we take all the dry spices, then put it into the blender. Blend all the spices. Now take out in the plate and mix all ground spices with 1 cup of yogurt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now mix it very well. Now add 1 tablespoon chilli flakes and add saffron color. Mix, mix, mix. Step 2. Now take a chicken and cut like this. Marinate the chicken very well with the spices. Now leave the chicken for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, we will cook chicken with few vegetables. Ring onions, one large potato, two tomatoes, and 1 capsicum. Add salt to taste. Now add churga masala. Put marinated chicken on top of vegetable on the pot. When the chicken has fully done, set aside. Now fry the chicken with little bit of oil. Now the chicken has done, set aside. Now it's time to cook the rice. When the water comes to boil, then we put soaked rice. When the rice is fully cooked, drain it. Step 4. Add a layer of rice. Put the chicken on top of the rice and then cover it with some rice. Add a second layer of rice and add some saffron color. Now cover it and leave it on steam for 5 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and the chicken churga rice is ready. Yum! Thanks for watching my mom's recipe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon too. Bye! See See you next video.